Hello everyone. Am I audible and visible? Hello everyone. A very good evening to all of you. This is of this is my first class with you. I am Swarnali ma'am. Okay. So how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Just wait. Let me share with you a screen. Just wait. So what is our today's topic? You all know na? It's logical reasoning. So today our topic is logical reasoning, and for logic, so there are so many questions you will get from logical reasoning. Good evening, good evening. Some people are still joining. So let's wait and then I will start our class in a couple of minutes. Hello. So, many questions will come from logical reasoning, and many topics in come. Like I will show you which things are coming in logical reasoning, like number pattern, okay, number puzzle, see odd one out, analogy, coding, decoding, geometrical shapes, alphabet test, grouping of figures. There's so many types of question will come in logical reasoning, this section. And you will get very good marks in this section. So let's solve some interesting question from this section, okay? Okay. So let's see some interesting question and let's solve together. You can see now, the screen is visible to all of you. Okay. So now let's solve this question. Let's see how many of you have given right answers. Wow, so many answers are coming. Very good. 25 is to be 5 and 81 is to be how much? That means 25 is to be 5 square is 25. So obviously 9 square is 81. So our answer would be 9. C. Very good. A big clap for all of you. Yes. Is 1C. C is the answer. Okay. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. It is C. C is the right answer. Very good. So let's move on. Let's solve our next question. So this question is from logical reasoning section and it is from ranking. You see? So let's solve this question. First, try to solve this, then I will show you the answer. Okay. 10 girls are standing in a row as shown below to buy balloons. If Priya and Piku left the row, then who will be at the 5th position from the last? That you have to find out. Pari, Payal, Prisha and Pihu. Wow. So many answers are coming. Yes, Pihu. All have written Pihu. It's D. So let's see, is it right or wrong? Yes, it's right. Pihu. Why? Because they're asking that Priya and Piku left the row. So here is Piku, and if she left the row, then who will be in the fifth position? And you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is Piku, and if the position, it is fourth position, so you'll see it's Piku. So she left the position, then who would be in fourth position? Pinky is in fourth position. Then obviously Pihu is in fifth position. So that is why D would be the answer. Okay. Pihu is the answer, D is the answer. Fine. Very good. D is the answer. Pihu. Nice. So let's solve one more question. Is D is the answer. Pihu. Pihu is at the fifth position from the last. So now let's see our next question. Okay, it is a number pattern question. Find the missing number. You have to find out missing number here. Two, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7, 9. So here which number would come? Chalo, try to solve this first. Question number 3, missing number. Question mark में क्या आएगा? Wow, so many answers. B, some say 10, 11 and 10, mostly 11. So let's see which is our answer. You see, obviously it would be 11 because here is 2 and the opposite side here is 5. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So here you see, and similarly here is 3 and here is 7. So 3 into 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So here we have 5, so obviously it would be 5 into 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 is the answer. Okay? Very good. B is the answer. 11 is the answer. Wow, 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 wow. Very nice. So now let's solve our next question. 11 is the answer. Very good. Let's solve our next question. Identify the one which is different from others. Okay. Odd one out type question. Identify the one which is different from others. Here you can see there are numbers 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 3, 4, 4, 5. Which would be the answer? Okay, so easy. D, A. Many answers you have given. So now let's check the answer, which would be the right one. You see, if you notice all the number observed, you can see first is 4, 5, 5, 6. Then 7, 8, 8, 9, 3, 4, 4, 5. And here is 5, 5, 6, 7. Why? Any pattern is there? You see, middle of two digits of A, B, C are equal to the half of the extreme digits. You can see 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. And half of 10 is 5. 10 by 2 is equals to 5. So here is 5 and 5. And here is 7 plus 9. So 7 plus 9 would be how much? 16. Half of 16 is 16 by 2 is 8. And here you can see 8 and 8. Similarly, 5 plus 3 is 8. Half of 8 is 4 and 4. So, but here is not this pattern follow, na? 7 plus 5 is 12 and 12 by 2 is equals to 6. But here is only 1 6 and here the another number is 5. So obviously D is the answer. D is the different one. Okay? D is the different one. 5, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Chalo, then solve karte hain. Next question. Now this is an alphabet test. Find the meaningful combination of numbers so that letters are arranged accordingly to form a meaningful word. Can you solve this? UATNER. A, B, C, D. We have 4 options. Which would be the right one? Which combination of numbers so that we can make a meaningful word? Okay, many answers. So let's see it. First, you can see we have A. U is ATNER. Okay, so let's see it. First, you can see the first option A is starting with 4. Okay, and 4 is N. Good. Then next is 3. 3 is T. So that means A and T. But there is 2 consonant only, no vowel. So that means we can't make any word with this. So let's cut out this. Okay. It is option elimination. So now next see the next option is B. It's also starting with 4 and 3. That means N and 3. N and T. That means it can't be possible. So let's cut out this option too. Now we have C and D. So let's see these 2 options. Which would be the right one? Between these 2, here you can see start with N, then 2. That means A vowel we have. And here is also same vowel. NA. Next is 3. That means T. Here is also T. So here now the next one is here different. Here is 1 and here is 6. 1 means we have here U and here is R. That means it can't be possible. So now let's make it NATU and the R and E. So that means it's nature. Fine, very good. 5C is the answer. C would be the answer. Very good, very good. Nice. Okay, so in this way you have to make, if you have the alphabet test or meaningful words, you will get this type of question. You have to do in this way. Fine. So chalo, let's solve our next question. Very good. C is the answer. Now there is a number pattern question. 5, 3, 30, 6, 8, 96, 7, 6. Which will come here? That you have to find out. Okay. What will replace this question mark? 84, 88, 74, 96. Wow, it's so easy. Very good. So many answers. So let's check it. Yes, 30, 96. So obviously it would be 7 into 6, 42 into 2, 84. So A is the right one. Nice. Very good. So fast. Wow. So many answers you are given. Wow. A. Wow. Wow. Chalo, then solve next question. Many answers are coming. Yes, I got A. Now the next question is here. Which one of given alternative fits in the place of this? That you have to find out. B, A, let's see, O, 16Q, then R, 19T, U, 22W is also so easy. So which would be the next one? Now for you, whenever you get this question is so easy, but sometimes the alphabet question, for you, it would help you a lot. Okay. EJOTY, EJOT is called. E is the 5th letter, J is the 10th letter, O is the 15th letter, and T is the 20th letter, and Y is the 25th letter. So it's all the, whenever you get this type of question, it will help you a lot. So just like here, we have O, 16Q. So O is 15. OPQ, you can see now. O means here. So we have to write here what? U22W. That means obviously next would be the which one? After W is X25Z because it's 26th, it's 24th, and Y is 25th. So that means it's X25Z. Okay. So B is the answer is yes. Wow. You solved very fast, very good. Nice one. So X25Z. So now let's solve next more. Now solve this. What will replace this question mark? 180, 125, 80, 45, then question mark, then 5. Now solve this. 180, 125, then 80, then 45. Then you have to find out this question mark. After that, the last is 5. Let's see. कितने बच्चे आंसर्स दे रहे हैं? C10, B20, C or B? C10. Okay. Let's see then which would be the answer. Okay. CB. Chalo, let's see it. You see, first number here is 180, then we have 125. So now what is the difference between 180 and 125? Is 55. Now difference between 125 and 80 is 125 and 80 is 45, and 80 and 45 is 35. You can see here is 55, then 45, then 35. That means difference decreases by 10. Difference decreases by 10. 55, 45, 35. So obviously next difference would be 35 minus 10. So it would be 25. So it is 25. So what we have to do? Just we have to, for this number, we have to subtract 25 from 45. Okay. हमें क्या करना है? 25 45 से subtract करना है. 45 minus 25 and it is 20. So our answer would be 20. B. Fine. So B is the answer, not C. Understood? 20. B is the answer. Okay, understood now? B. Okay, now next, solve our next question. Now try to solve this first. How many sevens are there in the following series? Each of which is immediately preceded by an even number, but not immediately followed by an odd number. Okay, let's check it then. 1, 3, 7, 5. They are saying that how many sevens are there in the following series, each of which is immediately preceded by an even number, but not immediately followed by an odd number. A, B, C. So let's see it. Here you see 1, 3. How many sevens are there? 3, 5, 7. So it not be. Next is 2, 3, 7, 3. It is also not. Next is, there is also another 7. Answers are, you are giving answers or not? Okay. Not giving answer, then I will show you. 1, 7, 2, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But there are 7. How many sevens are there? But they are saying that immediately preceded by an even number, but not only immediately followed by an odd number. So that means, which would be the answer? How many? Yes, there are 2 only. Here is and here is. B, B, A would be the answer. 2. Yes, now so many answers are coming. There are 2 only. How? Let me show you. You see, there is 7 and 2 and 4. They are saying immediately preceded by an even number but not an odd number. That means the number is in between two even number. Okay? Understood? मतलब जो 7 है वो दो इवन नंबर के बीच में है. So ऐसा वाला कौन कितने 7 है? Only 2. You can see it's 2 and 4. Okay? This is only 1 and another is here. 6 and 4. These two only. So our answer would be 2. That means the 7 is in between two even number, not one even, not odd. Just between two even number. Here is also an even number and here is also an even number. Okay? Understood? So there are two 7s only. So now understood? So let's solve next question. Understood? Okay, then solve next question. Any doubt? Yes, answer is 2. There are 2 only because the 7 is only between two even number. Okay, so now let's move on. Let's solve our next question. Can you solve this question? At the University of Calcutta, 36 students attended the law lecture. Okay, 39 attended arts and 37 drama lecture. So how many attended the film lecture? That you have to find out. Okay, let's see how many of you have given answer. Let's see. Chalo, try to solve this first. Law 36, 39 and drama is 37. Option B. Okay, let's check it. Law stand for 36 because we add word LAW, we get 36 now. Yes, art and then drama. So we have to find out film. Film means F stands for 6. Sixth letter, I is the 9th letter, L is the 12th letter, and M is the 13th letter. So whenever you add, you get 40. B is the answer. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, B is the answer. Very good. 40 is the answer. Nice. Now next question. The age of a father and his adult son add up to 66. Father's age is reverse of son's age. How old are they? That you have to find out. Okay? Tricky puzzle. The age of father and his adult son add up to 66. So father's age is reverse of son's age. How old are they? Yes, yes, very good. Many of you have given answer. Yes, A, B, C, D, all are saying is C. Chalo, then C, which would be the answer? Yes. 1551. Here is 66, so 6 would be the pair. We have option elimination method we have to use here. 15, 51, 26, 62, 24, 42 and 25, 52. So it's not, it is not, it is not. Let's cut out this. But here is 15 and 51 and 24, 42. Whenever we add, we get 6 and 6. But it is not possible because the father age and his adult son. So that means 15 is not possible because his age is 18 plus. So that is why our answer would be C. 24, 41. Okay. So 24, 41 is the answer. C is the answer. Very good. Chalo, then solve. Next question. 11 question you have already solved. Okay, now next. Next question is here. Which of the following diagram indicates the best relation amongst boys, girls, and students? Boy, which would be the right one? C. Yes, C would be the right one, obviously, because boy, girl, this not be possible. It's also not be possible. A and B, we have to eliminate this because they are saying boy and girl become students ना. Boy भी students हो सकते हैं, girls भी students हो सकते हैं. So that means you can say options between C and D we have to choose. Now they are saying that boys, girls and students, but which diagram we have to choose, not D or C. कौन सा होगा? C or D में obviously C. Why? Because all boy and girls are not students. Some boy and girl are students. So that is why students, some boy, some girl are students. Not all boy and girls are students. So that is why D not be our answer. C would be our answer. Okay? C is the answer. Understood? Yes, C is the answer. Now this is next question. Understood? Now next question, try to solve this one. Can anyone solve this? Question number 13, 261, number series 423, 747, 1494. Which would be the next one? Anyone? No answers? Then let's see the answer D. 3876. Okay, then check the answer. First is 261. 261, then 423. Can you find out 261 and how can we get 423 with 261? You see, whenever we add, what you have to do whenever you get this type of question, the first thing is sometimes there is some relation. Obviously, there is some relation between numbers. Then we can find out. Now the thing is, we will first let's find out the here is 423 and here is 261. So let's find out first the difference, okay, between the number. 423 minus 261 is how much? 162. Okay. Now next is 423 and 747. Let's find out the difference. 747 minus 423. 324. Now let's find out this difference. 1494 minus 747 is 747. Now I want to ask you that can you find out any pattern here? Here we have 162 difference. Now 324 and 747. Any pattern? One six two 342 747. You see, whenever we reverse the number, we'll get the number. 261 is 162, the reverse number. 423 reverse, whenever we reverse, we get 342. Similarly, 747 is 747. Okay, so that is why 261 plus 162 is 423. And now 423 plus 324 is 747. Understood? And 747 plus 747. This is same. 747 is 1494. Now what we have to do? We will just reverse this number and add to get the next number. So that is why 1494 plus 4941. And that is 6435. Understood? B is the answer. 6435. 6435. Okay? So now, understood now? B. Chalo, then solve our next question. Now question number 14. 84 into 13 is equals to 8. 37 into 13 is equals to 6. 26 into 11 is equals to 6. Then 56 into 22 is how much? What are you doing? Anyone? Can anyone solve this? Otherwise, I'll show you the answer. So, let's check the answer. You see, here is 84 into 13. So, whenever we add 8 plus 4 and 1 plus 3, it would be 12 minus 4. So, it's 8. Okay, same pattern would be followed the next number also. 37 into 13. 3 plus 7 minus 1 plus 3. Oops. 6. So same pattern would be followed in this way. 56 into 12, 5 plus 6 minus 2 plus 2 is 11 minus 4 is 7. Okay. So C is the answer 7. Many pattern question you will get in this type of questions. Okay, pattern type. So 7 is the answer. Understood? Whenever you get this type of question, you know, there is some relation, must be some addition or subtraction and doing something, any operation. Here is we add and do that, both the numbers here we add and then subtract and get the answer. The same pattern would be followed. Okay. So 7 is the answer. Hope you understand. So now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. One of the number doesn't belong to this group. Okay, you have to find out. 6, 12, 36, 180, 1261, 13860, many numbers, and one number is not present here. So, which number doesn't belong to this group? Yes, wow. Many answers. C. Let's check it because 1261 can't be, na? 6 into 2 is 12, then 36. When we multiply 6, then 6 into 2 is 12, 12 into 3 is 36, 36 into 5 is 1260. But they are saying 1261. And here is multiply this number, the same series we will get, but not 1261 because the, in the series the number is 1260. So 1261 is not belong to this group. So C is the answer. Very good. Okay. 1261. Then one more question. You have to complete the given number series. 17, 19, 23, 31, which would come here. The last in the series, the last number is here, 79. So you have to find out this one. Yes, 12, 61, the last one. Now, this question, 17, 19, 23, 31. Let's check it then. Which would be the right one? This is the series 17, 19, 23, then 31. Now we have to find out which would become. Difference is 17 and 19 is 2, you can see, and 19 and 23 is 4, okay? And 23 and 31 is 8. So obviously next would be how much? 2, 4, 8 and obviously 16. So 31 plus 16 is 47. So this is the answer. Okay. So 47 would be the answer. A is the right one. A is the right one. Understood? 17 is the first number. Then is 19. Difference between 17 and 19 is 2. 19 and 23 is 4. And then is 8. So it's increasing. 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 2. And next is, you can see, is 32. So 16 into 2 is 32. So whenever we add 47 plus 32, we'll get 79. Okay. So this is 47. A is the answer. Fine. Understood? So let's solve one more question. Okay. So let's solve one more question. Now the next question is here. If pill is coded as 2134, earth is coded as 41590, then how will plate be coded in that language? Oops. Plate. It's so easy. Pill 2A. Yes, D. So many answers are coming. Yes, D is the answer. 2, 3, 1, 9, 4. Very good. D is the answer. D is the answer. Okay. Plate can be written as 23194. Very good. Two, 3, 1, 9, 4. D. Chalo, then solve one more question. 2, 3, 1, 9, 4. Hope you all solve the questions. Now, next is here. Another pattern. 5 plus 6 is equals to 121. 6 plus 3 is equal to 81. Then 8 plus 9 would be how much? Oh. 5 plus 6 is equals to 121. How? Anyone? Which would be the answer? 8 plus. Can anyone solve this puzzle? 5 plus 6 is equals to 121. 6 plus 3 is equals to 81. It's also very easy. Just think logically. 81 and 8 plus 9 would be how much? Yes, 17 into 17. Wow, very good. 5 plus 6 is equals to 11. So it would be 11 square is 121. Na? 5 plus 6 equals 11 and 11 square is 121. Next is 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 square is 81. Similarly, 8 plus 9 is 17. 8 plus 9 is 17. So is 17 square and is 289. B is the answer. Wow, wow. Very good. 17 squared. 17 into 17 is 289. Very nice. बहुत बढ़िया. You solved so many questions. Very, really appreciated. Okay, B. Chalo, then one more question. Two, 8, 9. Yes. So now let's solve our next question. Okay. Now this question. Let's solve this one. It's an equation type question. You have to find out the value of spade. Here you can see there are two spade plus one circle is equals to 330. One circle minus one spade is equals to 12. So we have to find out the value of one spade. How to find this? So first you have given answer. Is it wrong or right? और ऐसे ही दे रहे हो पता कर लिया solve. Okay, then check. Let's check this. Two spade plus one circle is equals to 330. And C minus S, that means one circle minus one spade is equals to 12. So what do we have to do? So now what do we have to do? Just put the value here. Okay. 2S plus 12 plus S is equals to 330. So that means 3S plus 12 is equals to 330. Now 3 spade is equals to 330 minus 12. So value of A should be how much? 318 by 3. 106. And they are asking this. So we got the value 1. B is equals to 106. Okay? B is the answer, 106. Understood? First, we have to find out the value of one circle, just 12 plus S. Then we put the value here. And now by this, we will get our answer. Okay? So, B is equals to 106 and this is the answer. So, any doubts you have? Then let's solve our last question. Okay? This is a blood relation type question. Try to solve this question and then we will finish our today's class. Banita Ray, doubt. Doubt? What doubt? Okay. Let's see. One. राजर्षि प्रियदर्शिनी गिविंग कितने बार आप आंसर्स देते रहते हो डी डी ओके एक बार डी देन अगेन बी so let's check it then which would be the right one you see p here is p and p meets a man q who is related whenever you get a blood relation type question always make a family tree so it would be so easier to find out the answer okay p meets a man q and then who is related to P because P has a son R, is his son who is married to T and T is the daughter of Q. Okay, you can see this is the tree I made for you and now T has a daughter A. So now how is P related to A? And it's so easy. It is A, grandfather. Okay, grandfather A is the answer. You see, P has a son R and who married to T. T has a daughter A. So what is the relation? A and P. Obviously, P is his grandfather, not grandmother. Why? Because while going to his office, okay, that means P is male. So that is why P is the grandfather, not grandmother. While going to his office, first is mentioned here his office. P meets a man Q. Okay, understood? So A is the answer. It is grandfather. So now anyone have any doubts? So if you enjoyed so many questions we have solved today and you solved so many questions and it's really very good. Yes, Vanita, a doubt? You can tell me your doubt. If you have any doubt, you can write here in the chat box. Yes, A is the answer. Now, achha, question number 19. Okay, for you, question number 19. You see, okay, question number 19 once again. You see here is two spade. This is the two symbol and one circle. So that is why I wrote here 2s plus 1c is equals to 330. And next is one circle minus spade is equals to 12. Fine. And by this we can find out c minus is equals to 12. So value of c would be 12 plus s. Okay, is because c minus is equals to 12. So c is equals to 12 plus s. Now we can put this value here 2s plus instead of 1c here we can put this value 2s plus 12 plus s is equals to 330. Okay. Now 2s plus s is equals to 3s. 3s plus 12 is equals to 330. Now, what you have to do next is 3s is equals to 330 minus 12. 330 minus 12 is equals to 318. Fine. So, value of s would be how much? 318 by 3 and that is 106. Understood? It's 106. B is the answer. Okay. Okay, so that is all for the day. Bye bye. Take care. Yes. Oh, question number 20. Just once again. Okay, question number 20 once again. You see, whenever you get this type of question, always make a family tree. P, Q. Here is while going to his office, P meets a man Q. P meets a man Q who is related to P. Okay, because P has a son R who is married to T. T is the daughter of Q. T is the daughter of Q. Now, T has a daughter. Now, T has a daughter A. Here is A. So, how P is related to A? That you have to find out. Here you can see obviously P, R and T are father and mother or parents of A. That is why P would be his grandfather or mother. But here first he is saying in the question that his office. That means P is male. So, that is why P would be his grandfather. Okay. A is the answer. That is why. Understood? Oops. So, okay. Bye-bye. Take care. Good night.